Hi everyone. In this video, you will come to know how to upload the assignment in a Google Classroom. Okay. So before uploading the assignment in a Google Classroom, the faculty will send you the invitation to join the Google Classroom. Okay. For example, here you can observe you will get a class invitation to join the Google Classroom. In that, you just click on this mail, so this page will be displayed. Okay, in this you can click on the join button. Okay, when you click on the join button, you will be directed to the Google Classroom page. In this you can see the assignment which is uploaded by your respective faculty. Then click on this assignment. Okay, you can see this assignment questions by clicking on this, and then we'll write the assignment, and you should scan and you should store in, or you should save in your device. After scanning and saving in your device, again you should go back to the Google Classroom. Then in that you can observe here there is a text box called your work. There is a text box called your work. Your work. In this there is a one button, that is add or create. There is a button called add or create. Just click on this. As you are going to upload a file which is a scanned copy of your assignment, just click on this, and you can observe here insert file using Google Drive. Okay, there is a recent, upload, my drive, and start. All those all the options are there. In that you select the upload. Select upload, and you can observe there is a button select files from your device. Click on this, and you can select assignment written copy, that is a scanned copy of your assignment. Then you click on that assignment. For example, here PSA IA1, that is your assignment. Okay, so what you have written, that assignment name is PSA IA1 assignment. Okay, click on this, and then click open button. Then you can upload this. If you want to add some more files, if you have one more assignment, if you wanted to upload that, you can click on this add more files. Okay, now you just upload it. Okay, you can observe here whatever you have uploaded, that assignment, the written assignment, it will appear in your work text box. Okay, in this you just click on the turn in. To submit it to your faculty, you just click on turn in button. When you click on this turn in button, so it will be submitted to your respective faculty. Thank you.